Fog lights are the unsung heroes of night driving. And today we're counting down the best LED fog lights that will cut through mist and rain without blasting your bumper with glare. From compact, rock-solid units to high-intensity models with easy installation, this lineup is tuned for brightness, color, temperature, and reliability, so you can see and be seen on slick highways and winding back roads. Today, I'm going to be going over the best LED fog lights that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SEALIGHT H16. These fog light contenders are designed to deliver reliable illumination in conditions where visibility is impaired by mist, drizzle, or heavy fog. The compact aluminum housing and precision optics are tuned to optimize fog performance, with heat-dissipating fins that keep the LED dye cooler on longer drives and maintain steady brightness even after repeated starts in damp mornings. Non-polarity design makes installation forgiving, letting you plug in the harness without worrying about clever orientation, which is a real plus when you are swapping out bulbs in a cramped engine bay. The beam pattern is engineered to minimize glare on wet surfaces while maximizing the side-to-side spread that fog conditions demand, resulting in a broad, even field that lights up lane markers, shoulders, and the edges of the road so you can see where you are going. Color temperature sits in the around -6,000 range, delivering a crisp, cool white light that enhances object contrast on dark pavement and through mist without the harsh blue tint that some lower-cost LEDs show. Included driver electronics regulate current to reduce flicker and to help the lamp hold brightness when the vehicle's voltage sags during cold starts, a common issue in winter driving. Seals and gaskets are built to resist rain, road spray, and dust intrusion, so you can rely on consistent output in rain and on dusty backroads alike. The overall lifespan is solid, with LEDs capable of tens of thousands of hours, which means fewer bulb swaps and less hassle on long road trips. Compatibility spans common fog light sockets, and a robust harness and connectors offer reliable electrical contact under vibration and heat. Practically, this means a dependable glow that helps you pick out wet pavement texture, markers, and potential hazards sooner than you would with older halogen units. And buyers may notice the brightness is more mid-range than ultra-wide, which suits most urban and rural fog scenarios where you need practical coverage without blasting nearby drivers. Compared to the SEALIGHT H10/9145/9140, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the H16 set offers a slightly different dispersion profile that some drivers prefer for closer, more focused fog clarity while still delivering strong peripheral lighting. In short, these lights provide balanced performance with a straightforward install, reliable weather sealing, and a design that keeps you confident when fog closes in. They are a practical step up from halogens without venturing into premium-priced options. At number 4, we have the SEALIGHT H10/9145/9140. This model is built around a true 360-degree illumination concept and a non-polarity design that makes fitment forgiving across many vehicles. So you can expect a very uniform light ring around the fog area rather than a concentrated hotspot. The optics pair with a robust reflector to maximize spread in the fog layer, allowing you to see the road's edge lines and nearby obstacles with more clarity as you approach them from in traffic. Construction uses durable materials and sealed connectors that resist corrosion and moisture ingress, while a heat management system keeps the LED chips cooler than older designs, preserving brightness over the life of the bulbs. One benefit of the 360-degree approach is a more even ambient glow that helps the driver gauge distance and relative speed in poor visibility, reducing the tendency to overdrive fog layers in dim conditions. 6,000 tone provides a bright daylight-like look that enhances contrast behind fog and drizzle, and the lamps are designed for plug-and-play installation, often matching H10, 9145, and 9140 sockets with minimal rewiring. Driver electronics stabilize brightness and suppress flicker even when the vehicle's voltage rails wobble, which is particularly relevant for start-stop systems or older battery setups, where the ceiling meets common rain and spray scenarios, so the fog lights remain reliable through wet mornings and damp commutes. The lifespan is typically high, and the compact housing helps with heat dissipation in a tight fog light housing. In practical terms, you'll notice a safer first impression on the road when the fog closes in, with better edge recognition and fewer uncertain moments as you decide when to edge into the lane. For comparisons, the relative strength of this version versus more premium options often lies in ease of install and field-ready brightness, rather than extreme long-range reach. Paired to the SEALIGHT H16, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the H10/9145/9140 family focuses more on a broad, consistent field and universal socket compatibility, making it a popular choice for drivers who want a reliable fog-beating upgrade without a steep price tag. At number 3, we have the Marsauto H16/H10. This trio dual Y configuration is engineered with a focus on longevity and resilience, boasting a lifelike expectancy around 70,000 hours under normal operating conditions. 3-socket compatibility, H11, H16 and height, gives you a wide range of fitment across a large slice of modern fog light assemblies, reducing the need for adapters or rewiring, which shortens installation time and ensures better electrical contact. The build uses a sturdy aluminum shell with a sealed gasket system, designed to resist moisture intrusion and dust ingress while remaining cool under prolonged use, thanks to a well-designed heatsink that enhances dissipation. Brightness is tuned to deliver a practical, no-nonsense fog beam, avoiding overly aggressive central hotspots that cause glare when you are in damp or misty air, yet still providing enough reach to identify reflective road markings ahead. Color temperature remains around 6,000, delivering crisp white light that aids depth perception and edge detection in fog layers without producing a cold hospital white tint that some cheaper products carry. Driver electronics are designed for smooth operation with a steady current, reducing flicker and ensuring stable output even as your vehicle's electrical load shifts while idling at a stoplight or during acceleration. Waterproofing seals and internal wiring are built to last through repeated exposure to rain and road spray, making these lights a reasonable choice for drivers who face wet climates. Installation tends to be straightforward thanks to clearly marked connectors and dependable harnesses, with a focus on minimizing vibration-induced wear over time. In everyday driving, you'll notice how the beam distribution helps you pick out curbs and guardrails more reliably in foggy mornings or late-night drizzle, while keeping a comfortable glare level for oncoming traffic. Marsauto H11/H16/height sits in a middle range of performance, strong, steady, and dependable, without some of the more aggressive tuning found in premium options. Compared to the SEALIGHT H10/9145/9140, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this Marsauto set emphasizes socket flexibility and longevity, making it a practical choice for drivers who want long-term reliability and broad compatibility. At number 2, we have the Marsauto H10/9140/9145. This model pulls together plug-and-play simplicity with a modern LED package designed to replace older halogen fog lamps with minimal fuss. The H10/9140/9145 lineup covers the usual H10, 9140, and 9145 sockets, offering broad compatibility across many car brands and model years, with a harness that is built to stay flexible in cold temperatures and resist corrosion from road salt and moisture. The LED chips deliver reliable brightness with a crisp white light that sharpens contrast against wet pavement and painted road markers, enabling quicker recognition of lane edges and obstacles as fog thickens or the rain begins to fall. Key selling point is the emphasis on longevity. These lamps are built to survive thousands of hours of use, with heat sinks and cold start-friendly drivers that stabilize brightness as battery voltage fluctuates during engine start. The construction uses robust housing materials and sealed connectors designed to fend off moisture and dust ingress, which translates into fewer failure points for daily commuters and weekend travelers alike. Color temperature remains around 6,000, chosen for its balance of visibility and optical comfort, while the beam pattern is calibrated to deliver effective short to mid-range illumination in fog without creating excessive glare for oncoming traffic. The result is a dependable upgrade for older fog lamps that often dim as moisture builds inside the housing, a problem that plagues lower-cost options. In real-world scenarios, you'll find these lamps offer a practical mix of brightness, reliability, and ease of installation that suits most everyday fog conditions and routine highway commutes. Paired to the SEALIGHT H11/height/H16, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the H10/9140/9145 family emphasizes broader socket compatibility and consistent performance across a wider set of vehicles, making it a flexible choice for multi-car households and owners who like to upgrade in state. At number 1, we have the SEALIGHT Height/H16/11. This final pick brings a compact yet potent LED solution that emphasizes a calm, balanced fog light performance suitable for frequent city driving and long rural stretches alike. Housing is designed for efficient heat management, with a thoughtful contour that helps prevent lens fogging in damp conditions, a feature some rivals neglect in heavier units. LEDs are matched to a cool white tone around 6,000, delivering clear, high-contrast illumination that helps you distinguish reflective road signs, guardrails, and paint-on dashes through fog and light rain, without washing out the scene with excessive brightness. Non-polarity design again makes installation forgiving, so you won't waste time chasing the right orientation in a cramped engine bay. You simply plug in and go. The beam pattern achieves a balanced distribution that covers near-field fog pockets and still provides enough distance visibility to help you judge your speed and following distance on a misty highway. Driver electronics minimize flicker and hold output steady as the vehicle's battery voltage fluctuates, particularly during cold starts when lights face extra stress. Construction emphasizes water resistance and dust sealing, with gaskets and seals designed to survive rain, spray, and road debris. The thinking behind this configuration is to give you a dependable, long-lived fog lamp that remains comfortable to drive behind at night, and that reduces eye strain in foggy conditions. In daily driving, you will appreciate the calm, even illumination that allows you to focus on the road ahead rather than chasing shadows or trying to compensate for a dim beam. H16/H11 is a versatile choice, delivering reliable output without the complexity or price tag of top-tier models. Paired to the Marsauto H10/9140/9145, which I am including as number 2 on this list. The H16/H11 set emphasizes compact form and consistent fog-beating performance across a broader range of vehicle installations, making it an excellent all-around option for drivers who want a safe, straightforward upgrade with dependable results.